As a planner, you may have to resort to using Excel for creating and managing your plan, to balance the needs of your customers against your stock, and to create supply orders. Although Excel is flexible and free and seems an easy way out, it carries a high price tag at the end. Planners using Excel typically have to put in more hours to get the same work done, at a greater risk of mistakes. Moreover, it is difficult to create much better than averaged out forecasts, resulting in missed opportunities and unnecessary stock. It is still common belief that transforming to a system that leverages the latest technology innovations is bound to be complex, costly, and time-consuming. Thanks to recent technological developments, you can stay in control and yet have access to the latest intelligence. Garvis can get you up and running in less than a day while preserving your flexibility in 4 simple steps. First, you book a 30-minute demo where we will show you in more detail how Garvis works and how it can support you. After that, you fill in a user onboarding questionnaire that allows us to better prepare for your needs and what you specifically want to get out of the tool. This takes less than 10 minutes to complete. The third step is a 1-hour onboarding call to import your existing data and get you familiar with the interface. Are you already using the Garvis format for your data? Then you can start immediately. Is your data still in an Excel datasheet? No problem. With our unique data wrangling system, we can get you set up in less than a day. You are now ready to start using Garvis and create accurate and explainable forecasts immediately. The system behaves like an AI assistant for your planning tasks, getting smarter and smarter as you interact more with it and create more data. Ready for this new way of dealing with change? Try it yourself. Visit garvis.ai and schedule a demo. The implementation is on the house.